Hi everyone, this is Abdul from Mockat. NMIMS shortlist for the academic year 2024 to 2026 is out. In this video, I will show you how to find out if you have been shortlisted for the interview. You can check the shortlist status using the link given in our description. If you click the link, this page will open. You have to type in your NMAT ID or your registered email ID and your password and click login. NMIMS dashboard will appear on screen. In this dashboard, there are two important buttons, VAT PI call letter and continue to VAT PI form. If you click on VAT PI call letter, your call letter will be downloaded in your device. This call letter consists of overall marks you have received and what all programs you are shortlisted. In this call letter, you will also find the cutoffs for all the NMIMS colleges and programs. For MBA Mumbai and MBA Human Resource, the cutoffs for quant has increased from last year. The last year cutoff was 69. It has increased to 71 this year. And the total cutoff is also increased from 232 to 234. The second stage of MBA selection process includes VAT, Watson Blazer test, and personal interview. This interview process is an offline process in Mumbai. You have to register for this by using the Continue to VAT PI form, which is available in the dashboard. This form includes a statement of purpose. The last date to fill this form is 24th January. The fees for this registration form is 1000. After filling the form, the slot booking will open. There are two slots available on each day, morning slot and evening slot. For MBA Mumbai and MBA HR, the slots are available from 31st January to 8th February 2024. For MBA Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, Indore, and MBA Business Analytics, MBA Digital Transformation, the slots are available from 9th February to 23rd February. For MBA Pharmaceutical Management, the slots are available on 1st and 2nd March. It is noted that the entire interview process will take approximately 6 hours. Thank you and all the best.